Hello everyone, this is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here to share the December 2012 Kit Club project with you all. It is a vintage camera, or my rendition of a vintage camera, and it's so cute. I just absolutely love this project, and it's so much fun. It has a mini album in the back for you to house those memories, or to just keepsake those memories, of course. And I love this project because it is truly a home decor piece. You can totally put this up for showing and you can enjoy it all year round. This is a my Christmas project, because I think about all those vintage Christmas movies and all the Santa Claus movies, so I thought that this would be a great Christmas project. In the front here, you can actually put a photograph in here. I have a little sticker in here that says believe, and I just adore the way that came out. My mirror is excuse me, all full of fingerprints, but it just turned out so sweet, and I absolutely love the project. It has a lot of presents, but the footprint on this one is not too big. I want to share with you, here's the back and the closure on the back side of this. It's a nice hinged assembly here, and the mini album just comes out of the back, and it's a really sweet mini album. The mini album is a standalone project if you want it to be. It's got a lot of fun interaction. I did a frame style mini or frame style, recessed frame style for the cover. Kind of resembles those really big 12 by 12 albums that you find with the recessed frame that allows you to put a photograph. In this case, I put a Christmas sentiment, and these frames came in the kit. And the paper, by the way, is Twig and Berry by Kaisercrafts. So really nice opportunity for a photograph or a sentiment, whatever you want. You could even put the year here if you wish to do that. So this is what I call a mini. It's a small album, but it has lots of space for photographs and journaling. I did a play on the Polaroid frame here for this first flip page. There's a tag pocket page. Alright, we've got a slant pocket here, and also a pocket right here. So a lot of fun and play with this mini album. Lots of journaling cards and things that you can play with here for this project. Alright, here you can do another photograph on the back side of that. I did a film strip inspired piece right here, and I just adore the way that this turned out, guys. So I can't wait to share with you how I made this. Really sweet and simple. You can put the film strip on the front, on the back, wherever you wish. You can put the tags on the front or behind, the tag pockets on the front or behind the Polaroid frame, however you want to do this one. We have another insertion for this project here, again playing on that film strip idea. Alright, so here's that idea on the film strip, except that this one is just a long one. So it has side insertions for your photographs with that center allowance for you to actually tuck that picture in there. Really fun. All of the dimensions to make these items come in the tutorial. The written tutorial, even though this is a Kit Club project, the written tutorial is available to everyone. Alright, so don't think that you cannot make the project. The difference here is that Kit Club members get the kit, and those who are not in the Kit Club can just pick up the tutorial. So this tutorial will be posted December 15th to my blog. So if you do not subscribe to my blog, hop on over there, paperphenomenon.com, and do that so you can pick up this tutorial, and you'll see when I post it. Alright, this is most definitely, I think, one of those must-do projects. I promise that the camera comes together relatively easy, and I don't make that statement lightly. If it's not, I say, guys, you're going to hate me with this project, but this one, I promise you, you won't hate me. It comes together relatively easy. You're going to really enjoy making this project. Alright, so there's the mini album, really sweet. It tucks away in the camera, or it's a standalone piece. Okay, if you want to make the mini album for a gift, Okay, you can most certainly do that. And this is the kind of tutorial that keeps on giving. You can make the camera, but you can also have that mini album design in your arsenal of projects in case you have to whip up a quick project. Alright, that would make a beautiful little baby album, wedding, you name it, for all the themes all year round. And I think that these film strip inspired pieces are a lot of fun, and I think you're going to really enjoy making that. So this is Kathy with the Paper Phenomenon Kit Club. This is my December Kit Club project, the vintage camera. Look out for the tutorial. It's going to be a lot of fun, and I will also have a Ustream class on this one. Alright, I will see you all soon, and until next time. By the way, this is my new camera, guys. Let me know what you think. I'm going to start uploading videos for the December daily too. Bye-bye. I hope you love it. Bye.